Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram cache. Okay, so you have to just go to the settings here and you have to just go to the settings of your phone and you have to scroll a little bit down and you will find the option that is called app management. So click on here. After that, you have to click on app list. Okay, and you have to wait for a few seconds, just it will load because depend upon all the application that is present in your phone. And you have to, if it is open, then you have to scroll a little bit down and you have to find Instagram. Okay, and if you're not able to find, if there is option of search in your phone, you can just search it. So click on the Instagram here and you have to just go to the storage usage and here you can find the cache option. So here you can just clear all the cache and it will speed up the process of Instagram. So I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.